Let's talk about Julie Chen. Julie Chen was actually one of my subscriber. I don't know. He just quit immediately. His channel became the ghost channel. One of the subscriber who actually became the ghost. But it was so creepy.
Bakit dadalawa yung t-shirt?
But his last word was one post
Dadalawa yung t-shirt
to
ni
his
Lucho.
YouTube channel. He disappeared since.
Ito tawag dito. Ay, Webes na pumasok. Wala pasok sila ng Lunes.
According to my calculation, I think he was abused. Or maybe it was so creepy.
May t-shirt pa siya dyan na malinis.
Guess what? Stay safe. Oh.